Good morning, good morning. It's day four of my futures trading journey. Still pepper trading. Let's mark up the charts and delete anything from the previous day. Alright, y'all. So let me delete all this from yesterday. Got to put my music on. So remember, we got to start with fresh charts every morning to just have clean charts and to be able to not trade, not have any invalid zones. Hold on, what was that? Oh yeah. Oh no. Okay. So we're on the daily, but let's see how we looking. See, got some stuff down here. Okay. Alright, we good. So you're on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. We don't mark up any supply demand zones on the daily. Hold on, we still got some arrows left from yesterday. Marking up on the 4-hour. 4-hour supply zone. Okay. We're gonna take these today. Go to the 1-hour. Mm-hmm. 1-hour supply zone. Also need to mark the London high and low. Hmm. 30-minute supply zone. Another supply zone. Minute supply zone. Minute supply zone. We miss any? We got these twos. They real skinny, but we still gonna take them, y'all. That's a 30-minute supply zone. Supply zone. Okay. So go to the 15-minute. It's all we got supply today, y'all. I can see, I look at this trend, it's just been in a downtrend. So let's get it. Let's mark these up. So we got overlap. We can go here. Off the 15-minute. 15-minute. Dang. 15-minute. And my lesson I learned from yesterday is to make sure I wait until the New York session open. 15 minutes? 15 minutes. So now let's see. Alright. So based off what we see, Asian session was in a downtrend for the most part. London session has been up and down. But we're going to set the high and the low currently. So currently right now we have the London high, London low, and yes, there is overlap between the London session and the New York session. But all good. Let's go to the 1 minute. So we don't mark up any newfound things on the 1 minute. So right now what we're going to do is double check for any news. And not just news from Forex Factory, but also Financial Juice. If there's anything that has been said about, that's informal. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do one more thing that I haven't done, but I'm gonna just put it in just say I wanna search something. Okay, look, the market has been driven by a global tech and semiconductor sell-offs escalating Iran geopolitical tensions and disappointing earnings. The Nasdaq is burning or is bearing. So the Nasdaq is bearing the brunt of the drop, while the broader markets are pricing in uncertainty. So y'all see this? So let me move that. So me asking that question allowed me to now better understand why we saw the consistent downtrend. Like, you see this? Look. Oh, wow. Hold on. Go to that agent session. So this is the agent session. So look, complete downtrend. And then we had uptrend downtrend as well. And there is no supply and demand zones below here. Oh, we entered one. Well, we tapped it, but let's get in motion. Let's lock in, see if we can get in. So let's be ready to enter into a supply zone. So we did have a touch. We had a reversal candle right here, y'all. So let's just be already in position to do a short. So this is what I'm gonna do. One more. So I want to be able to enter right here into a sell. Short would be that's crazy. I want my thing to be above the zone. I want it to be a 1-to-1. That's it. That's a small 1-to-1, y'all. That's crazy. But we just hit one. Let me check. Trade. Stop limit. Take profit here. We did this candle close below, so technically I could enter, but would it be too late? You feel what I'm saying? So I should have waited, but let's see if it respects the zone. So see, I could have got trigger happy and got in right here, but one, it clashed with the market opening also. So if I would have got in because of this large drop, I would have thought I was doing something. I'm glad I didn't just get in. So we gotta wait to see where this candle finish off. But right now, as of right now, this candle is already invalid, technically. All right. So I technically need to wait to see what happens here. Okay, so this zone is invalid. We have another zone right here. Let's see what they talking about. I only drew supply zones today. Even though we have some form right here. So I'm looking at this supply zone. I also want to look for a bearish. I want to look for a bearish rejection candle. So right now it's just being bearish. And even though this waked up, it didn't touch the zone. So I don't want to be trigger happy, right? I don't want to be trigger happy just to be like, oh, it got close to it. It's like, but is that the rule? You know? Based on the strategy that I trade. Big gap. Let's see if we get lower than the London low. And I gotta check back to my, excuse me. Ooh, I wish it was a demand zone or something down there. Because right now I'm just patiently waiting for it to hit this supply zone up here. Oh wow, let me see what my mentor had any. Okay. Yeah, we got a big sell. We got a big drop, but it's just dropping. So you see here, we got this fair value gap, but we don't have a key candle touching it. You know, it's a big drop I could have got into, but I didn't have the confirmations that made me comfortable to get in. While this is doing this, let me look back and see if there are any other demand zones that I'm missing. Alright, like I don't see. Oh wow, all the way down here. See that? You know? So is these some that I could take? See that? Look at all these demand zones down there. So I'm gonna do this, y'all. While that's doing that, I'm gonna draw these demand zones. And these on the 4 hour. Because it's like, are there any opportunities to get in the market today? And if not, that's okay. Okay, 4 hour demand zone. Alright, so let's see. See, only on this 1 hour while we doing it, right? Alright. So I'm even remarking while doing it just due to got 4 hour demands and 1 hour demands. I'm missing in there. And I might be over. I don't know if I'm over marking, right? Just trying to create something, but it's 1 hour. 1 hour demands. 30. See, I love this. Yeah, 15. Yeah, we have to, have to see what's up, y'all. I just want to be aware, see what I'm doing. See, that's crazy. We got something in the demand zone right now, y'all. Look at that. So we done had something touch. So we don't have no bullish rejection candle off this. So let's say keep dropping. Got some more demand zones, which would invalidate this. Big sell off. Look, it only had to go what? A few points. The news did say it, y'all. Remember, the news did say we got a big sell-off in global tech and semiconductors, and NASDAQ is what I'm trading. Okay, we got a long wick, small body. See an entry opportunity. I'll go buy. We got a long. Oh, it's above it, y'all. I'm finna enter. We got the stop order 10. We got 10 contracts. I'm finna enter. I finished above. We got my 101. Alright, below the zone. My take profit is. Why is it at 7? It should be at 10. I don't understand why it be changing. I don't appreciate that. Damn. See, y'all, look at this. It did still close above it, so I do want to be. Oh, there go the wick. That's a better rejection candle. Is this where I got in at? Let me see, y'all. I did get in that reject. Okay. Look at this, y'all. So I looked at that as a rejection candle, but I could have been a little bit more patient because I wanted to get into a trade. You feel me? Like, and now I gotta wait to see how this candle close. Because this should have been my rejection candle, not this one. This was cool, but it was like I could have been more patient because then I should have entered above there. And now this zone is invalidated. Now I'm holding this trade, y'all. Jesus. Where did I get in? Oh, I got up there. That's a long wick, y'all. Jesus. And the zone is invalidated. So, I got this stop, but it don't be respecting this stop. Yeah, Jesus. Look. 13, and it's just gonna keep going. And what's the next closest one? Oh, wait. That's a lot of... Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't want to just take this big old... Because I'm basically... Me doing a buy was going against what the market was showing me, though. Even though this was a demand zone, I didn't let price respect it. God damn, because nothing... This didn't finish above enough. Like I thought it was. So now, y'all, at this point, because I didn't do a market order execution, I'm like manually in this trade where I can just kind of like sit through it. I do have this stuff here, but technically I need to delete this, right? Yeah, look at that. Wow. But the only thing I could do right now, since I placed this trade, that's tough, y'all. Look at that, 17. Let's look at that. It's like, it was already in a downtrend. See, but nothing retouched that. And I wanted to make a trade so bad because it was on this demand zone, but I should have waited more patiently. Because then technically, because this second candle closed through the zone, I shouldn't take a trade. Okay, we have another rejection candle right here, though. Well, still, it's a bearish rejection candle, but I'm just honestly sitting through this. And that's crazy, because in order for me to meet my one, that was a huge drop. And I saw it, but I didn't get no key candle confirmations. So I gotta sit through this, y'all. At least let me break even. I break even and be, okay with that. I know they say trail to stop and all that, but my stop don't work on a stop and trail there. Only market execution, that's the only time. It's brutal, y'all, because I see it now. It's like I was so excited to get in. Like I wanted to get into something. Like I wanted it to be that. Let me break even. Oh, we got a shooting star rejection candle, or a bearish candle. Let me break even, y'all. I'm watching it, but Let me get out of it. Maintenance problem? Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. What? Let me refresh this. What are you talking about? Maintenance problems? No way. Maintenance problem? What does that mean? Did I get out of the trade? Like, whoa, y'all just saw that. A maintenance problem? Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Trader rate? It looks like, wow. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I'm still in the trade, out the trade. Wow, that's crazy. 4, 4, 4, 4. So what does that mean? Like, did that... What? Yeah, that's never happened before. I was in a trade, and it came back. You know what I'm saying, though? That's crazy. So can I not trade today? What does that mean? I've never experienced that before. I honestly have never experienced that before. Dang, y'all. Look, missed that drop, but not missed it because it didn't mean nothing. I got in, I held it. This was invalidated. I don't know what to do now, y'all. This could be a day where it's like, okay, I don't trade. Let me see if I open up a new tab. Let me go trade on view. Oh, it's having issues. Okay. Well, maybe that just saved me. Oh, I gotta press publish. So I'm learning something, y'all, because I was going to record this. Like, I was like, oh, I need to record this. I didn't see it at the top. Let's just publish. Now I know. See? Recording the trades. And he said it. One of the people I watch on Market Mondays, he said it. Hey, make sure you record your trades in case something go wrong and your broker can provide you a credit. You need to record your trades. That's crazy. Like, y'all, that's really crazy. Because, look. And Tradeovate now. Whew. Yeah, I shouldn't be trading today. But now I know. So, look, publish. But I was recording with y'all, which was great. So, I am recording. But let me just do this real quick. A short intro video. No, I need to see that. Continue publishing. Wait. Choose what to share. Allow. So it'll be this. Okay. And are you able to see this? Okay. Yeah, so it'll be that. It'll be that Chrome tab. Allow this time. Okay, so now I'm recording the trade. Wow. And then what does that say? What is this? Oh, wow. I could record myself. Let me see. I'll allow this time just to see how it looks. Does it trade anything? Okay. Take camera off. Oh, wow. I want to stop the camera. Turn the camera off. So what do I look for, y'all? That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy. And look at the run up though. That's when I say that's crazy. Okay, yeah, it's not meant for me to trade today. So we're gonna reload it. Oh, what if I reloaded it? Stop the recording. Got it. So let me see what happened if I record. We already did it all. Yeah, I'm gonna start recording my trades every time. So that record trade. Let me put this in my notes, y'all. Stream today. Recording on from TradingView. So it will be a yes for me on both. Let me put publish button. That's crazy. Oh, and it's showing that it's recording. Okay. That is crazy. Wow, look at that run up though. How is that? So, bro, that's really wild. And what would that have been? Because I got in right here. Well, let's just look at it. I got it right here on this. And it's up here. Like a 2-to-1. And I could have, and I just needed to get here. But I was just trying to break even. But it wasn't, you know. Alright. But we know that. Now, let me go back because my stop was here. Did it take away my entry, though, too? That's crazy. Mid-trade, though. So let me stop it. Recording my trades. Every time. So that that's crazy, though. Because he literally said it. And I was looking for it, but I couldn't find it. Dang, I wish I was recording that. I was recording it, though, over here, but wow. Recording on TradingView. Now I know, because it's like, okay, download. Let's see. Boom, look, y'all. I'm recording my trades. Every time. Wow. That's crazy. Now I gotta double record. I'm streaming. And I'm here. Wow. Hold on, yeah, I'm looking to see which one to put, but I'm done for the day. And I'm gonna show that. So let's see what TraderBait, not TraderBait, but like let's see what the dashboard looking like. Let's see if we even copied that trade. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day. And I'm glad I got this my first time in it. So That's not true. What time did I get into this trade? This trade happened at 6:41. That's crazy, y'all, because it's 6:59. I ain't been, See, but I had it record on. Inside. That's crazy. I wish I would have. But I do have it recorded with y'all. So let me hurry up and do this. Let me hurry up and end this screen. In this stream. And then go get the recording from the stream to be able to put that in there. Okay. Let's do that. I will record every trading session inside of Trading View using the publish button, separate from streaming, to have proof of any technical issues with the broker, Tradevate, or any technical issues with the broker, Tradevate, or charting trading. I record every trading session inside of Trading View using the publish button, separate from streaming, separate from my live streaming on YouTube, to have proof of any technical issues with the broker or in our charts, in case I need to be given any credit to my account or any issue. For what I lose in a trade. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna end this.